Hello everyone, today I'm sharing with you how to cook chicken sandwich. You will need cooked chicken, hamburger buns, tomato sliced, mayonnaise and mustard. And here's the chicken. I use chicken thigh, seasoning with salt and pepper, and you cook on this grilling pan. And here my buns. I place on this grilling pan to warm it up. Okay, let's make our sandwich. Put mayonnaise, mustard, grilled chicken, slice up tomato, and here's our sandwich. Okay, here's our chicken sandwich. It's done. Hope you guys like it. Please like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.